How to log into PNC Bank online banking account. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, open up any web browser you want and search for pnc.com. That's going to bring you to this website. Now click in the sign in option, and from here you can enter your user ID, then enter your password. Now you can check the box that says remember user ID if you want to remember your credentials. However, uncheck this if you're using a public computer. Then you want to click in the login option to log into your online banking account. If you have forgotten any of your login details, click in forgot ID or password option, and that's going to redirect you to a different page. Now on this page, you will have to enter some of your details. Here, enter your online banking user ID, then your social security number, and then enter your PNC account number. Then you will be able to find your user ID or reset your password, and that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.